Morning everybody, it's lovely to be here and this is an exciting day. It does seem a bit weird, doesn't it? You're expecting to see Timmy Mallett with a mallet. Today it's with the palette and we're going to have a go at some art and some painting in this wonderful setting here today. The gardens are looking spectacular, as our guides are going to show us in a moment.
I've had a really lovely day. I have met Timmy Mallett. He's taught us all about landscape painting with a beautiful tour around Kew Gardens.
Just having the chance to paint for myself has really been good. It's not something I normally get to do. A little bit out of my comfort zone, but it's been really good fun.
It's been wonderful. I got to paint and I got to meet Timmy really, and I'm really thankful to Lansing College for sending me here and to spend my day with you guys.
I do use the Specialist Craft products. I've been using them for several years now. I think they're great and it's really nice to actually spend the day with the team and get to use them myself.
They are really good. They're usually our go-to for art materials, so I'm a big fan.
I have to say, quality is magnificent and it has made my drawing very easy. So I'm very happy with the process and with the end result.